Okay, we're live.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to the December 17th meeting of the Node API team. We're going to go through our regular agenda right after we ask if anybody has any announcements. So if you do, please share them. Otherwise, we can get started with the agenda. Just share my screen. Share. Okie dokie. So this is our agenda. First item is the Node serial port PR. I haven't checked on it, so if anybody has any news, please share them. See what's been going on there. Let's see. Oh, it got merged. Well, I'll be darned. Okay, well, that's pretty good. So there's a, is it, I think it's on a branch, right? If I remember correctly.
I received the email that they merged the Paracast on master.
Excellent.
So yeah.
Excellent. Okay,
Yeah,
so sooner
I
or
think
later we'll see this.
we are near to the publish on NPM.
Yeah, it's under the beta release tag. So that's good. Very cool. All right. Well, I don't know. Can we close this item then, since it has been released?
Yeah, it makes sense to me closing the issue.
I just need to sign in. Or wait, am I signed in on Firefox? Open here. Let's see. Let me just copy the URL from hello from here. Sign in here. Or crying out loud. There we go. No. Sorry. Just a second. This thing. I always sign in and for some reason it kicks me out. Okay. Let's hope that text messaging works. Alrighty then, so I think we can close this. Okie dokie. So then we can close the issue. Nice. This has been a journey. Okay, so then back to our agenda. Makes sense. Okie dokie. Tracking issues for modules we've noticed are ported. Any news on such modules? Have we had any other ones? Soon we can open one for. Oh, well, it's supposed to be October 2021, but okay. Let's check NPM. See how we're doing.
Nothing
So
new.
no news. Yeah, okay. We may have acquired a few more dependents, I think. But it's so weird. We had like this bump here. But I think we're ticking up very, very slightly again. Just to my untrained eyes. So there's that. Now then, did I? Yes, I did. Okay, so drive towards full coverage. Full test coverage. Jack, do we have Jack here? He has been pushing this. Okay, what am I looking at? Okay, go ahead, Jack.
Yeah, there's still that link that, like for the blog. So
oh yeah, the blog.
Just take a look at it. And, yeah.
Okie dokie, that's a good idea. Oh yeah. Okay, hold on a second. I have some credentials, I think. Here. There we go. Awesome. Okay. All right, I'll take a look at that as soon as I can. Okay, so the blog post is in draft. And bug testing, Michael, have you had a chance?
Sorry, what was that? I was a little distracted.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. The debug testing for add-ons.
Yeah, no,
I
I haven't had a chance to look at that. No, sorry.
Okay, all right, no worries. Okay, then. So we can get back to that when you get a chance. Okay, so then burn down list of issues raised by module. There are always interesting ones to be had here. Do we have any that are explicitly pointed out, but we don't? So we can just go to and ask if anybody has some that are particularly intriguing, interesting, urgent. If not, we can just go down a couple and see how far we get. Oh boy. We have a crash. So let's see. Have we had engagement here? We have not. So we might as well give it a gander.
I think that it could be time for a new release of Node.js API, because
Okay, that's good.
because we made the last in September. So now
Yep.
we have some new additions and bug fixing. So yeah, if you agree, I open as usual the issue about the new release, and then this week I can create it.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Plus one from me. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So we have an object wrap that creates thread safe functions. Okay, let's see here. Okay. Yeah, I have a hunch about this one. So, okay, looks like it goes back into core and then it attempts to release a mutex or lock a mutex, and this is probably already gone. The thread safe function is gone from the node side or from the core side. So this tells me, and they're saying that it's reloading electron. So if it's reloading electron, I'm assuming electron tears down and then starts up again. So then electron teardown is probably what is causing the problem, because I remember the thread safe function. I don't remember how well we handled the worker thread case with the thread safe function. Yeah, let me make a comment here. Okie dokie. That's one thing we can ask. So then let's see. This was the first issue, constructor overload.
Hmm.
Prepare for CV back. Okay. Yeah, I don't quite get what he's trying to do here.
It's
What does this have to do with?
I think that it's because he can create different kind of back type back and yeah back that handle two that are bidimensional or three-dimensional, etc. So he wanted to create an object wrap for every type of back that he can use. I think.
Okay, so he can. So he can just template the object wrap superclass. Like he can template the vec class.
The solution that he posted is yeah based on the repository of OpenCV for Node.js is to create specific class per vec. But I was thinking that like you, it could be templated. Yes, so he could use every kind of vec in his class, in his object wrap class. Yeah.
Yeah, that I think that's the way out here.
Yeah.
Give him an example.
Yeah.
then we can close the issue and then they can reopen. Okie dokie. So that would be, is the thing in my history? No, it's not. Oh, that's okay. Documentation outdated. Let's see, what have they found? It's quite possible. Okay, yeah, this one is. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, I still have to do that. Okie dokie, I have this in work. All right, so this is 1106. Sharing promise between calls. Okay, I think this one has answered the question. So we can probably just close it. Oakley dokley. Object wraps are not thrown as an API. They are not. Ah, okay. Okay. Okay, I guess we can leave this open. Give some more time for a reaction, and we can close it. It's pretty clear. Okie dokie. Question that seems to. Oh yeah, this one I I don't know. Has anybody else had a look at this? I just don't see how. I think okay. So let's see. Do we have Deepak here today?
Hey Gabriel,
Wasn't
yes,
here.
I'm here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So have you had a chance to look at this? You said you were
No.
triaging it.
Yeah, yes. I did not get a chance to look at it this week. I'll do it by next week for sure. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. No worries. Okay. Sounds good. Okie dokie. All right. Let's see, where were we? This one. Let's say function with array buffer. Oh yeah, that's a good use case. second. Oh boy. I think the problem is wait a minute. Are they calling a JavaScript function from a secondary thread? Because this sure looks like it. This is inside the data thread. Okay, call back. Oh no. Okay, we're good. Okay, this is not bad. So then what is the problem? Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, I think this person needs an exit hook. Yeah, pretty sure. Holy cow, there's some long output. Exit hook. Where do we have those? We have exit hooks wrapped. Yeah, better look at the header. That's not good. Okay, cleanup hook, that's it. Okay. Okay, now can be. go back up. Okay, yeah, so this JS, okay, where are you, Blocking call status, yes. Yeah, so I think that the thread is not getting the closing status. Will, not should, because it will. What is the name of the return value? Maybe I can close it. Okie dokie. There we go. All right. This one we can close. This one we can close. This one we can close. Why don't we look at the core repo? Okay, we have a test failure. Michael, oh, Michael dropped off, didn't he? I think he did. Interesting. All right, I think Michael's on this one. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Call function example. That's interesting. All right. Okay, so how are we doing on this? This has merged, right? We have no, we don't. Lucas, are you still there?
Yeah.
So can you give an update on allowing symbols values? Have we merged this?
If I recall correctly, Jack had submitted a PR for this, and we already landed it.
Okay. All right. Let me just double check. Yeah, I'm gonna double check on that. Okay. I cannot see you.
I believe the number is
Here we go.
399.26.
Yep. Okay, then let's close this issue because we've landed the change. Go away. How did I do this? Commit ID. Okie dokie. Thank you. We are good on this one. Okay, and then we go off into older issues. Okie dokie. All right. If we don't have any more issues, are there any other topics anybody would like to bring up? Otherwise, we can close off. Oh, and we should talk about whether we're going to meet next week and the week after. So next week is the 24th. That's Christmas Eve. That's a holiday. So I don't think we will meet, right?
Yes, that is right. Yeah.
Okay, so then that's 24. So then the week afterwards is the last day of the year. I'm up for a meeting if anybody else is, so we can just close for today and say we will potentially meet in 2 weeks, and we can discuss over email whether we should or should cancel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gabriel, one last thing. The pull request. If we are fine with the pull request, the unit test pull request, can we can take a look at it if you want, or I think most
Yeah,
of you
okay.
are you are good to look at it. We can take a look at it next time as well. That's fine.
Okay.
I didn't understand. The next meeting will be in the first date on the new year, or the
Well, I mean, we still have the 31st, right?
Yeah.
Next week, I'm almost certain that very few people would attend, even if we held the meeting, because it's Christmas Eve and most people will just take the day
Right.
off, I think. But the 31st is not any special day as far as I know, is aside from being the last day of the year. So, we can meet or not meet depending on, I mean, for you, Nicola, it's pretty late in the day, right? So you may want to go to some party or something, but if you're up for it, we can.
It's not particularly late. I can organize. I just
Okay.
want to know if For me, it's okay.
It's
All right,
okay for
sounds
me
good.
too.
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay for me too.
Okay.
Yeah.
All
For
right.
me,
Okay, so
it's
then.
already 2022.
Yeah.
No way.
Yes.
So I
Happy New
might
Year.
not be able to do it.
All right, no worries, no worries. Okay. Well, we can coordinate over email too. All right.
Yeah.
So I think for this week we should just close. So thank you everybody for joining, and we will see you in 2 weeks.
Okay,
Happy
bye.